looking for, and if we see this, then do that, or and let you know what it's really like out playing and give you some helpful tips. You just pull the PVC. Forgiven. So we've got it loose. We're going to, I don't know how hot it is. Now, if this pump ever fails, definitely gonna have to use my back here so nothing gets in there. Not the end of the world if it Who leaned over? Oh, get out of the way. I don't know. I think people like the interaction. All right, so the wire. So we'll put our 2 6. If you look right there, the red and black lines. Okay, so that's good. Just like I said, you do everything that these and you're laying down on your side or your back. It's loud. Back when I did stay calm. Whenever you're doing something there, it's already working. I don't know. Or if you take this, blowing up. So